What up, everybody? My name is Kate, and this is 3 with me. Makeup. We love it and hate it. Sometimes I'd rather watch paint dry than remove my makeup. Is this an extreme comparison? Maybe. But the process and cost of makeup remover wipes can be so irritating that I'd rather wake up looking like a rabid raccoon. Not to mention, some makeup remover wipes have a lot of harsh chemicals that can harm your skin. So on today's episode, we have found 3 ways to remove your makeup without using makeup remover wipes. First up is the Super Remover Spray by Revolution. This is the ultimate lazy girl makeup remover. All you need to do is spray it on your face and then wipe it off with a cloth or paper towel. I was glistening, I was glowing, and look how much came off with one swoop. Here's half of my face when removing the spray. This was so easy to use. This is perfect for those late nights where you're exhausted but you still want to remove your makeup. The only con is that it did get in my hair, and you have to be careful about your eye because you don't want to get this in your eye and you are spraying it in your face. But I'm actually really impressed with this, and it's definitely going to be my go-to on lazy nights. Next up, we have the DIY makeup remover wipes. Start by taking a couple paper towels and cutting them in half. Then put 2 cups of water in a jar. Next, place 1 to 3 tablespoons of your choice of oil into the jar. I chose olive oil because who doesn't love a good bread dip? Add 1 tablespoon of witch hazel. I feel like we're making a potion. Then add 25 drops of your choice of essential oil. Mixy, mix, mix, mix. Lastly, stuff the paper towels into the jar. Now you can take the paper towels out and use them as a wipe to remove your makeup. Here is my face post makeup remover wipe. Not gonna lie, this was a messier process than I thought it would be, but it also worked way better than I thought it would. It took off my makeup so easily and left my skin feeling very hydrated, so this is perfect if you have dry skin. Lastly, we have coconut oil, a delicious snack indeed, but also great for makeup removal. All you want to do is take some of it, place it in your hand, soften it up a bit, and then wipe it on your face. Then you can just take a cloth or paper towel and remove your makeup. Here is my makeup post coconut oil. I smell like a tropical vacation. This was really easy to use. It'll last you a long time. Only con is that it left some extra eye residue more than the other 2 methods, but if I were to put more coconut oil on that area and then wipe it off, I think it would have come right off. That's it for today's episode. If you haven't already, subscribe and comment below how you remove your makeup. See you next time. Bye.